Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a button hover effect in Figma. If you've ever wanted your designs to feel more interactive and modern, this tutorial is for you. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to set up a button that responds to hovering and pressing, just like you see on professional websites and apps. Alright, let's dive right in and get started. First up, let's create our button. You can make this as simple or as styled as you want. For this example, I'll keep it basic. Just select the rectangle tool, draw out your button shape on the canvas, and give it some rounded corners if you like. Add some text in the center, maybe something like "Click me." The key here is to make sure your button looks exactly how you want the default state to appear, because every effect we add will start from here. Next, make sure your button is selected, and then press Ctrl plus Alt plus K on your keyboard. This turns your button into a component. Think of it like turning your design into a reusable building block. Converting to a component is essential for adding interactive states in Figma, so don't skip this step. Now with your component ready, it's time to set up different button states. Hold down the Alt key, click and drag your button down to make a copy. Do this again so you end up with 3 button components stacked. These are going to represent the different states of your button: normal, hover, and pressed. Let's make these states visually distinct. Click on your second button and change its fill color to yellow. This will be what your button looks like when someone hovers their mouse over it. For the third button, change it to orange. This one represents the pressed state, that quick flash you see when someone actually clicks a button. Using bright, contrasting colors like yellow and orange makes it really clear which state is which, but feel free to use your own brand colors here. Here, where the magic happens, let's wire up the interactions. Go to the Prototype tab in the upper right. You'll see the first button is highlighted with a blue outline. That's your default state. Look for the little circle on the right edge of your button, click and drag the blue noodle down to the yellow button. This sets up an interaction between those two states. In the right-hand sidebar, set the trigger to while hovering, meaning the effect will happen as soon as the mouse moves over your button. For the action, select Navigate to. The destination should already be set to that yellow button you dragged to, and for animation, choose Dissolve. That way, the color change looks nice and smooth instead of just popping instantly. Let's set up the press effect now. Do the same thing but from the yellow hover button to the orange pressed button. This time set the trigger to while pressing and the animation to instant. This means as soon as someone clicks, the button quickly snaps to that pressed color, just like a real button would feel. Now let's see it in action. Go to the Assets tab, find your button component and drag it actual page where you want to use it. Hit the play button in the upper right to enter prototype preview mode and you'll see it all working. As you hover, the color changes smoothly, and pressing it gives you that quick feedback. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. Setting up interactive states in Figma can take a little practice. But after you do it once or twice, it'll start feeling super intuitive, and you'll be able to add hover effects to all your designs in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.